Hey there, and welcome to RatePunk Flights. Let me guide you through everything you need to know to start finding the best flight deals with our tool. To access RatePunk's travel deals, you'll first need to sign up. The process is quick and simple. Just enter your email, choose your departure airport, and you're all set. After signing up, you'll receive a welcome email. Make sure to confirm your account. Your login information will work on both the desktop dashboard and the mobile app. Once you log in, you'll land on your dashboard, your hub for all things travel deals. If you haven't purchased a membership yet, you can do so directly from here. A membership unlocks exclusive flight deals and additional features. Under the Flight Deals tab, you'll find a variety of travel deals. Every deal displayed is a round-trip ticket for one person. Here you can choose between a round trip or a one-way flight. You can set a stopover filter to choose how many layovers you want. Select your departure airport from the saved list. Enter your destination. This can be an airport name, IATA code, a city like NY to see all New York airports, a country like Canada to show all airports there, or leave it as anywhere to see the best deals from your airport. Select your dates, either exact or if you are not sure, choose flexible, and we'll show deals around similar days. Flexible is better. It can help you find cheaper flights by shifting your trip a few days. Choose how many people are flying, up to 3, and the travel class. Non-economy classes are available only with elite access. There are various filters to narrow down destinations. For example, beach will show places near the sea. You can only pick one filter at a time. Tap again to remove it. You can sort deals the way you prefer. Here. It shows price ranges so you know if it's a good deal, and an AI score with a recommendation. Click See All Deals to view more options for that destination, with different departure times, airlines, and more. Click View Insights to see AI suggestions that help you decide if it's a good deal. You'll see the full flight info here. When you pick a deal, you'll be taken to the seller's site to enter your info and complete the booking. Want to change your departure airport? You can do that here. However, free accounts are limited to just one airport. For more flexibility, upgrade your membership to unlock multiple departure airports. The more airports you add, especially larger ones, the more deals you'll access. Each deal comes with a validity period next to it. But don't worry, all deals refresh constantly, so there's always something new. You will sometimes find rare deals or super rare deals. These are extremely valuable, offering an exceptionally low price and are difficult to come by. Want even better deals and premium perks? The Upgrade Deals section gives you access to elite flight offers, including business and first-class flights. Bundle Deals is an upgrade that includes transport plus flight plus hotel packages. You'll be able to filter these deals by various categories, and they'll also arrive directly in your inbox. These bundles offer great value, so don't miss out. RatePunk also helps you save even more with built-in money-saving tools. Price tracking, available through our browser extension. Mark a hotel you like and track price changes to book at the best possible rate. Rebooking tool. If your hotel price drops after booking, you'll see it in your dashboard and can rebook the same hotel at a lower rate. Cashback. Earn money when booking flights through RatePunk. Your cashback is stored in your account and can be used for future flights. Need to change your plan? The plan and billing section lets you modify or cancel your subscription anytime with no hassle. You can also update and change your password here. With deals constantly refreshing and new features always being added, RatePunk makes finding the best travel deals easier than ever. Ready to book your next adventure? Start exploring now and unlock the best prices today.